Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download MSI GeForce RTX 5070 Ti 16 Impress X OC driver. So guys, search to Google search box as it is same. You just go to first link which is officially website msci.com. You can see this. Single click to okay. So guys, this is your graphic card. You can see this. Okay. So here to find out the specifications, overview, galleries and support. So click to support. Okay. So you if you not selected like that, so you select the driver. Okay. This is you can check also warranty and like that. So no worry. So first driver, then select driver. So you can see this is automatic detector driver and this is manual. Okay. So I suggest and you have to try to automatic driver. You just single click to this. Okay, just click to download and accept all cookies and caches. Then click to download now. So guys, it is completed. Just single click. Then guys, click to yes. Now you can see this. Okay. Then guys, next to install and